All right, so I was out yesterday and my recoil handle broke, and it broke in a really catastrophic way. You can see this attaches into here, and then this goes through like that, and it ripped off in a way that's not repairable. So in order to get the last couple cuts of the day done, I threw an overhand knot in there and threw my one of my scrunchies on, and it did the trick. You know, it bridged the gap between when I can get home and fix it. So I really do not like working on recoils. I really do not. So this one is going to wrap clockwise, as they should. See? Boom. All right, but clockwise as I'm facing it. All right. Ooh, that spin. Good golly. I hate that spin. On the older saws, it means you're folding back that spring. Oh, and geez, if anybody knows what I'm talking about, you know my pain. Oh, okay, so this one actually has, I thought it just had a D handle in it, but it's got another. See, you can see what broke on this one here. It's this guy, and you know what I think I'm gonna do? I think I'm just gonna throw this D handle into my work bag, into my tool bag, and I'm gonna throw this replacement. And I do feel like this cord is too short. You know, I really do feel like that. I don't think that's long enough. There we go. Without getting in the way of stuff. Ooh, let's send our bolts everywhere, shall we? I want to go looking for those in the dirt. Okay. Get down under. All right. Clockwise. You know what I did? Golly. I need another cup of coffee. This is why I hate working on recoils. I'm not very good at it. I always forget to put stuff where it needs to go. So this actually has to go through here. All right, and we're back. I was able to find it with both hands and a flashlight. Yeah, that ought to be okay. But I can kind of take a peek at everything else in here. Everything looks really nice, actually. That ignition coil is in a great spot. I just love that. Super accessible. Everything in here looks good too. Yeah. There we go. All right. The long guy goes here. Short guys in the rest of them. There's a little bit of Loctite on every one of these screws. All right, and we're done. Wow, let's give it a test first. put these back in their bag. Yeah, nice. Doesn't droop, no cord droop. So there we go.